front of me is TECNO Pop 7, and today I would like to show you how you can add pictures to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select one of your chats. After that, tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Then just click on your photos that you wish to add. And as you can see, after that, my pictures were successfully attached. If you wish to, you can also tap on this gallery icon on the left. Click on your photos here or select folders and hold the chosen one that you wish to add. When you're ready, tap on select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!